Okay, we are almost done. We're gonna get into example A first. And we're gonna follow this graphic organizer that's in your notes. The quadratic equation is given to us right here. We have x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. We have it equal to 0, which says we're looking for solutions. So we're first gonna list our a, b, and c. Our a is 1 because that's always in front of an x squared, if not already another number. Our b is 8, and our c is 12. That's all for this square. Now we're going to find out how many solutions we have by using the discriminant. So we're gonna plug it into b squared minus 4ac. So instead of b, I'm gonna put 8. So I have 8 squared minus 4. Instead of a, I put 1. And instead of c, I put 12. Okay, so then 8 squared, 8 times 8 is 64. So I get 64 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 12. Now what's 4 times 12? Oh, that's 48. So I get 64 minus 48. And then I just need to figure out what that is. 64 minus 48, I get 16. Since that is a positive number, it's a positive 16, it means that I am going to have 2 solutions. And they're real solutions. So let's write that. Let's write real solutions. Let me go back and erase and make sure that we're being real specific here. So 2 real solutions. All right, so now we're gonna go to the quadratic formula using our discriminant. Remember, the discriminant is what is inside of the quadratic formula, or inside the square root, sorry. So I start with x equals because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for solutions or x-intercepts. So negative b, and in this case our b was 8. So I get negative 8 plus or minus the square root of our discriminant. Our discriminant is 16. So I put 16 on the inside of my radical over 2 times a, which was 1. All right, now all I have to do is just simplify. So I end up with x equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 16 is equal to 4 over 2 times 1, which is 2. Now this breaks up into 2 separate problems. So I'll do one in red. It's going to break up into x equals negative 8 plus 4 over 2. And then the other one, we'll do in purple, breaks up into x equals negative 8 minus 4 over 2. Remember, we're looking for 2 solutions, so I should have 2 answers, and that's how we're going to find them. So let's do the red problem first. So we get negative 8 plus 4, so that gives me negative 4 over 2, and then negative 4 divided by 2 gives me negative 2. Now let's move on to the purple. I get negative 8 minus 4, that gives me negative 12. Divided by 2, which then gives me negative 6. All right, use the quadratic formula is done. So then the solutions, roots, and zeros, it's asking us to write those as an ordered pair. So we end up with negative 2, 0, and negative 6, 0. Those are the 2 places that this quadratic function crosses the x-axis.